Welcome to Make It Easy. Mutton fried rice is a stir fried rice delicacy loaded with fresh veggies and mutton, seasoned with the Chinese flavors. This recipe is quick and easy to make, customizable with any of your favorite mix-ins. This fried rice recipe is an absolute best. Watch this video till the end to learn the easiest way to make restaurant style mutton fried rice at home. Here goes the recipe. Take 3 cups of rice and thoroughly wash it. Now transfer the rice to a vessel in which you are going to cook it. Add 6 cups of water for 3 cups. Switch on the flame to high and let it boil. As it boils, add salt, now add 1 tablespoon of oil so that the rice doesn't stick. Add juice of 1 lemon. Give it a thorough stir. Now simmer the flame and let all the water absorb. Now as the water has absorbed, we will put on the lid onto this rice and let it cook for 35 to 40 minutes on low flame. Now in a vessel, take mutton nuggets cut into bite-sized pieces. Season it with salt. One tablespoon of white vinegar. 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce. And 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. This quantity I have used for 300 grams of mutton cut into nugget sized pieces. Now mix it well and let it marinate for 1 to 2 hours. For best results, you can also keep it overnight. But if you are making the rice in a hurry, then you can keep it for half an hour or till your rice is cooked. Now here the rice has come out very nice. It's cooked properly. Now in a separate pan, take 1 cup of oil and add garlic paste to it. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute this garlic paste into the oil. Now take the marinated mutton and fry the mutton nuggets. We have to fry it until the mutton turns golden brown. Now as the mutton has fried, we'll take out the nuggets . I've taken out all the nuggets on a separate plate. Now take 1 cup of onion, finely chopped, and fry it in the same oil which has the juices of the mutton. We won't discard it, so that the flavors get well into the veggies also. Saute the onion. Now as the onion turns slightly golden brown, it's time to add your favorite veggies. Here I will add 1 cup of carrot. I have finely chopped the carrots. And now I will add 1 cup of green bell peppers or capsicum. This has also been finely chopped. We'll saute the veggies a bit, but not too much, so as their crunch remains as it is. Add a little bit of salt to season the veggies. Now after stir frying for a minute, it's time to add the mutton nuggets. Give a mix. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix it well. Now add some rice. Add a little rice and mix it. Now we will mix the rice with the veggies and the mutton, and then we will add our sauces. If we directly add the sauces to our veggies, they may turn dark. So here I am adding 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce, and now 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, mix the sauces well with the rice. Do this step on a low flame so that your rice doesn't stick to the bottom of the wok. Now on a low flame, keep mixing the rice well with the vegetables and all the sauces and mutton for 2 to 3 minutes, and your fried rice is all ready to serve. Do consider subscription to my channel if you like this content, and press the bell icon for more updates. Don't forget to leave your valuable feedback in the comments below. Thank you for watching.